back, and today I will show you the high level of AWS Roadmap. But before I proceed further, consider this list as a very high level just for us to start. And when we proceed further or dig deeper into each topic, we might update this list. We might add certain new topics which are relevant, or remove some which are not important, or which we can cover later. Okay, so I have just categorized the subtopics into high level topics. Like first is foundation, like what is we will set up the AWS account, IAM, groups, rule, policy, right? Very basic. Then we will cover the networking part. Like in the networking part, it is important because like whatever the servers we have, like we need to set up boundaries, like who can connect with them, or which server can talk with the outside world, or which can do with the outside world and with the inner world. So all we control this, our system, our network, covered in the networking part. Okay, then once the network part is completed, we will have this compute section where we will set up our servers, right? Application load balancer, network load balancer, classic load balancer, all type of load balancers, and our EC2 we will set up everything. Once our application is set up, like our app need storage, so we will cover different type of storage available, like S3, and within the S3 there are different flavors. Okay, pre-send URLs, which are very important, like when we upload image or videos. Okay, this is from the security perspective. You can say we don't want to give the permission to our S3 bucket, so that we can generate a temporary links. Then we have databases, different type of databases, like relational database, NoSQL, cache. Again, like we are not going to cover the complete NoSQL. We are not going to cover the complete relational databases, right? So you can say that our major agenda here would be like how to integrate our application with this different type of databases, right? Covering NoSQL, like with different type of databases, is again a whole big topic itself. Okay, then we have containerize the app, like so here I will include Docker too. Okay, so you can say that when we reach till here, I will take couple of videos to cover the Docker, and then ECR, ECS, EKS, this will thing get more, you can say that we can able to connect the dots properly. So Docker I will also cover as part of this itself. And also important is serverless, like in that I would cover AWS Lambda. Then we will decouple the service like SQS, SNS, Event Bridge, so messaging and events. Then we will, whatever the application we will have, we need to have a deployment, so we will automate the deployment through CI/CD pipeline, like GitHub action, very important part, we can do that. Okay, code commit, code deploy, code pipeline, different features. Okay, after that, yes, you can say that secure everything. Okay, so you can say that security is not at end, but it's at every layer. You can say that security is must. I am not just keeping it at end, doesn't mean that it comes security is at the last. No, you can say that before we say that yes, we are open for the world, we need to double check this, like are we proper secure or not. Okay, so we have IAM, parameter stored, certificate manager, web application firewall, different secret manager. So different subtopics I'll try to cover as much as possible. Then after that, monitoring part, and then exposed to the user, the DNS and the CDN part. Okay, so these are subtopics. So again, I am saying subtopics can be increased, can be reduced, but as soon as we jump into the particular topic, we get to know more about it, and which subtopic need more time, so we will spend more time on that, or dig more deeper into that, and relative to some other subtopics. Okay, so very quick video on this one. If anything you think I missed here in this AWS list, please ping in the comment section, like topic and the subtopic part, and I will see if I can accommodate it within this list. Okay guys, thank you, bye.